This is not Pac-Man. This is the Big Daddy version of one of my favorite workbench accessories ever created, and that is the Rockler bench cookies. I've used these for years for a whole bunch of reasons. It's great to get things up off your workbench so you don't cut into the workbench. I use these all the time when I'm using my track saw on the workbench to elevate that sheet good up and support the offcut and the cut piece. I also use them when I'm sanding, when I'm routing, but now they've come out with this. These still have the same grippy surface that other bench cookies have, so if you're familiar with those, you know what you're getting, but these do snap together and give you a little bit more versatility and a bigger work surface. And on the bottom, you will notice there is a bolt hole there so that you can use their accessories with these as well, which is super cool. Next, we're going to put these in the same group because they're kind of very similar, and I think you should probably pick up both if you're in the market for something like this. These are shoulder squares. One is a 90-degree shoulder square and one is a 45-degree. These are just handy to have around, especially if you need to carry a mark or a line all the way around a piece of stock so you can make your cuts exact and all that good stuff. This is a 90-degree one, and it's flat on both sides, anodized aluminum, perfectly 90 degrees, so you can use that as well. And it's really well made. Should last you for the rest of your life, probably. This is also a 45. This one has a couple of nice little features that a lot of people probably wouldn't think about, but you can scribe 45-degree lines using this square, just laying it on top of your stock and scribe that line. On the face or the front of this 45-degree shoulder square, you have a beveled edge. So it actually comes down to a point so that it gives you a little bit better accuracy than if it was just straight square, especially when you're trying to cut that 45. As a matter of fact, that beveled edge is exactly 45 degrees and equal to the top of the shoulder square. I think it's kind of a neat little addition. I told you I was saving the best for last because I think this really is. And this is handy as a shirt pocket. I mean, very handy because it has a hidden feature that you're fixing to see. This is just a pocket rule. Now, if you not have a pocket rule in the shop, they're really nice for layout as well as setup. If you want to use these, especially at a router or router table, they're very nice to have just to set up your bit heights and your blade heights and all that. It goes from 0 to 3 inches on each side, which is in 1/16 of an inch. And then on the end scale, you get 30/2 of an inch if you really need to dial in that precision. It's a nice little tool to have. But that's not all, because if you flip it over on the back, you have fraction, decimal, and metric conversion chart right in your pocket. How cool is that? I told you I was saving the best for last. If you'd like to check out any of these incredible tools I've shown today, links in the description, the pinned comment, and of course the QR code for my TV viewers. Let me know what you think about these tools if you'd like to see more from Rockler.